Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It is absolutely beautiful out here today in the Northeast. The sun is shining. It is probably in the 70s. I absolutely love this type of weather. So basically, today I got the kids ready for school in the morning. I took a 2-mile run where I actually didn't have to wear a winter hat. It was amazing. And we took some trades, which I'm about to go over right now. I hope everyone had a great day as well. So hang on a second, guys. Make sure this volume's not too loud. Bear with me, having technical difficulties. All right. Okay, so you're probably tuning in because you want to see my trade recap. That is what we're going to get to in a second. Sharing the moneymaker. Yes, we made a profit today. While it's not life-changing amount of money, it is still a profit. The market today was, of course, absolutely insane. You had the Fed chairman, you had the Treasury secretary, both speaking today. And boy, did it move markets. Look at that. This is something that you do not want to get caught in. So let's say you're trading, you get into a stock, and then all of a sudden, Janet Yellen says that she thinks equities are overpriced. Yeah, that's what happened right here. We had a huge drop. So what I traded was, and we just continue to sell off. It's 3:35 right now. There's 25 minutes till the bell. The next level on this is going to be the low of the pre-market, 388.34. I mean, this just could keep going. There was also some new travel restrictions put in place overseas. The UK, Germany, Italy, they're having a lot of trouble with the virus and the vaccine rollout, which is causing the market to sell off dramatically. And that's what you see here. I mean, this is a massive, massive sell-off. I made this trend line right around at this time. About 1:30, I drew this trend line. I said that we're making lower highs, but we haven't made lower lows yet because of that big drop. So instead of fading the SPY, which would have been a beautiful fade, not that I would have just sat in this the whole time. But I mean, you know, once we started to make a lower low and broke through VWAP, a trade I would like to have put on is taking a put contract, which would have been the 392s, right? Because you're playing for the break. So you want to take the one out of the money. That saves you guys on premium that you pay. And then it would have been nice. But anyway, let's go over my trades. So it was only a $15 profit today, but this is where it gets interesting. At 7:30 in the morning, I was down $60. Okay. And I'll show you guys these two stocks that were absolutely the most frustrating stocks I've ever traded. So BNTC, I hate you. And guys, whoa, look at this. Look at that move. This is when I was on my run. This was when I was on my run, 2 miles, and this is when I was picking up my daughters from school. So we don't always get moves like this, and we're not always at our computers, but this would have been tremendous. I hope that you guys traded this one really nice. This was the pre-market trades that I took. Just gonna zoom in. Here we go again. All right, let's make this bigger. All right, pre-market. This thing was ripping up before 7 a.m. That's how I know that's, if stocks are ripping before 7 a.m. when most people can start trading, that's when you know you're gonna get some big rips. We tore it up. This is just 1 minute candle and then just ripped up again. But look at how choppy this stock gets. Look at the range, 852 to 774 in 1 minute. I mean, this thing just crushed people. I hope that you guys weren't involved in any of this, but it just kept selling off. But I tried to play for the first 5 minute candle over here to make a new high, which the 5 minute setup was a little whacked out. I mean, that's not even a 5 minute setup. That's how choppy this stock was right here. You got to realize, I mean, this is no good 5 minute setup. But anyway, I was down, how much on this stock? I think I was down about 50 or so. And then I had a very, very nice trade here that I actually went over in my pre-market video. I don't know if you guys have watched that yet, but it was the trade-off of the VWAP, okay? This got me 27 cents and only a loss of $14 on this name. The next one, SNMP, for those of you that did not watch my SMNP, nope, that wasn't it. SNMP. Okay. Another super gap up, right? We're ripping before, I mean, right at 7. Ripped up to 315. I tried to do the same play here, bounce off VWAP, and I just got stopped out under. Very small loss, manageable. Other trades I took was I took Apple, Citi, and NEO, all right after the price discovery phase of the market. So let me go to NEO here. What you guys are going to realize is stocks are going to trade the first 30 minutes really trying to find their way. That's the way I like to look at it. And I had all these scalps in here because I don't want this to happen to me. So I take the profit when I can, which you guys can see I sold most of my positions up here in the 42, 47, 42, 40 range. And, you know, we dropped to where we are. Actually, we're trading at 41.20 now. So these are scalp trades. They were just based off of previous patterns that I noticed with NEO. And once it makes, you know, it shoots up, it makes a low, and then it makes a higher low. That's when I like to get involved. The break of VWAP I took, and then I was out of that. So that was nice. Once I saw it break down, no longer interested in that stock once it makes a lower low. Let's see, Citi and Apple. Apple was pretty much just a scalp off the open. Okay, this is when I noticed the 10-year treasury. Now this goes for all tech stocks. The 10-year treasury was really pulled back nicely. So I expected this whole time to get a move like this. So on every sell-off, or it's not even a sell-off, but I was just buying the dips here and then just took 2 scalps, just 2 trades on Apple. And we made a higher high, but now we're trading well off of these highs. And then Citi was my final trade. Pretty sure I only took 1 on this one because I tend to overtrade Citi. Okay, so Citi was also really strong off the open. I don't like to buy up here. I always wait for a pullback. And when it coincided with the 5-minute chart, I bought here and I sold here, which I think I may have sold near the high of the entire day, which was right up here. This is not far off. So that was a nice scalp, which is also why I don't like to hold too long, because you just get stopped out. So this is my strategy right now, scalping. And the market that we are currently in, for me, it just makes sense. I don't know if you guys have noticed this also. The market is not trading normal. Now, by trading normal, I mean, usually your setups will be either accurate or they used to be very predictable. I don't know if it's all new money coming in, institutional money buying, who knows, but it's screwing up what used to be nice setups. So I'm in, I'm out. This is not life-changing money, I know, but it's still green. I didn't want to trade when Yellen and Powell were talking, because that always riles up the market, which turned out to be the right call today. So with that, I will do the showing you the kids doing their homework. Nice kids doing their homework, like good girls. Stay in school. And anyway, that's it, guys. Hit that thumbs up for me. It helps the channel grow. And if you're new, subscribe. Videos every single day. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, week, whatever you're doing. Take care.